You know, young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a whip and give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got records on records. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come comfort me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Arrows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds are choking. Holding up, I with no hoes.
Look at that shit.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tuner Army.
I do it over because you like the music was soft.
Okay. Hold on.
Well, be more relaxed.
Okay.
You're saying it like it's an infomercial.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tuner Army. Sorry we haven't posted in a couple weeks, but we've been without power for a few days. Take a look.
You sound so generic. I don't know. Like,
Let me do it again.
You want to do it again?
What's up, guys? Now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tuner Army. Sorry we haven't posted in a while. We've been without power for almost about a week.
How generic was that?
What?
You have to be honest. It's
That is honest. What's up? Oh, you're going the wrong way. Not even going the right way.
We have to go do. Look,
No,
let me go
I
ahead.
gotta
Let me.
eat.
Hey, we're not arguing this. So today is March 11th, and it
Take
is.
this right.
I gotta do birthday burnout.
We gotta get to eat first.
Fine. Today's my birthday, so we are going for a little cruise to get something to eat, and then afterwards, I think we might. I don't know. We just might go for an even longer cruise. And enjoy some birthday burnouts, hopefully. Right?
Right.
All right. So let's go for it.
Yeah, my diamonds are choking. Holding up, I with no hoes. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. Just a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick and voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send that bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the ooze.
So we didn't want to do a standard 5 things that we like about the Corvette C6 Z06. We kind of wanted to do something a little bit extra because I feel a lot of people just do a 5 things I love about whatever car it might be, and then that's pretty much it. And then the video's over. But while we're driving on our way to get some food, let's go ahead and talk about 5 things that my wife and I love about this car. The number 1 thing for me is the sound. I mean, honestly, it's probably one of the best sounding V8s that I've heard. It's just so aggressive sounding, even for 505 horsepower, which is not a crazy amount, but it's just right for just driving like around. Would you agree with that? What are your favorite things?
For a 2-seater, it's spacious. It has room. It has room.
Yeah. It has roomy. For a 2-seater, it has roomy.
It has a lot. It has room. Because when we were at the car show in Boston, we sat in that Lexus.
Yeah.
And it was.
I think we messed up on that video because that was an RC and I said LFA.
There was no room in that, and it had a back seat.
Yeah.
So there's enough room.
The a huge deal, you know what I mean? But just having it right there on the windshield, I gotta show you guys, it's amazing. Just having it right there for you to see, it's just such a convenience, you know what I mean? Like, this car says, okay, I'm ready to be driven 200 miles an hour. That's definitely one of the things that I really like about this car. It's just looking at it makes me want to speed. You ever seen those speed trap sensors, and they read your miles per hour, and you know, in your mind, you're kind of looking at your trap speed, and you're like, I think I could do better, but I'm 100% sure there's a ticket as a reward. But you want to. This heads-up display is kind of like that. All right, so this is 4. I'm gonna give you 5 then.
I think it looks aggressive.
It does look aggressive.
It looks aggressive.
I like the look of it. I agree.
I definitely do like the look.
Fifth thing that I love about this car is that it's a manual. I like driving manuals. I get automatic. It's just faster with all the technology that's out there right now. Automatic cars are just generally faster, but being engaged in the car or with the car is it's just fun. You know what I mean? Like being involved with it. So yeah, that's 5, right? Yeah. So that's 5 things we like about the car. We're gonna go ahead and is that pointed at me or is that pointed at the window?
I think it's pointed at you. It's actually good to tell.
We're gonna fast forward to get something to eat real quick, and then we have to try to find a spot to do some birthday burnouts. I have not done a on-screen burnout yet on this car, and it is epic when it goes. So we'll see what we can get.
Then the Outback will be on our right.
Woo! I don't know why the exhaust does that to me, but
I love it. It gives me goosebumps.
keep in mind we don't drive this car all the time. So am I taking this right?
I'm gonna say yes, but I can't be positive.
It's freaking wet out.
And then we'll go left. Where that guy went, I believe.
Damn, she is nasty. Kind of, sort of swerved a little bit over there. What you think?
I think you scared the shit out of me.
A little bit, not too much though. Just enough to keep you on the toes. I do it because I love you and I want to keep you on your toes. And you never know. Today might be our last day on Earth, so why not do a burnout? Why not drift sideways? You know? You get your little drink. What do you get?
Sangria.
San Grenadine. San Grenadine. Forgot where we parked.
Yikes, let's go.
Right on to me, huh?
So we're going to wash the car or going home?
We're gonna go do some birthday burnouts. What was that?
Happy birthday.
We're gonna go do some birthday burnouts. Redneck style. Birthday burnouts. we had a blast. So what we ended up doing is we just actually just drove around a little bit. Went for lunch, got gas, and on our way to get gas, we decided to do, again, this was a birthday burnout day, so we decided to do a burnout. We didn't film it, but as we were doing it, this cop came around the corner with his lights on, and it was just a different emergency. It wasn't us, but I have diarrhea, so you would have thought that we learned our lesson, but we went driving back home after getting gas. A couple of guys that were actually cleaning up this area with all the trees and branches that fell down during the snowstorm saw my car. So I pulled over just to shake his hand. He asked me for a burnout. And you would have thought that I would have hesitated for a second to be like, maybe this is a bad idea. We almost got caught once. No, I need to grow up. I need to grow up. Maybe when I'm 50. But until then, if you like what you've been watching so far, please leave a like and subscribe.
Let's get to 1,000.
That's what she has to say. Let's get to 1,000. See you guys next time.
Bad emotions, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad emotions, cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage,